How soon are you planning your transition from the military to the civilian world? I had 9 months of active duty left when I decided to start thinking through my next steps. The thought of transitioning to the civilian side gave me anxiety, as I was unsure of a career path where I could excel using my transferable skills from the U.S. Army as a supply logistician. In doing in-depth research on in-demand and reasonable-paying careers on the market, my attitude changed as I came across the Scrum Master role with Agile Project Management. The role aligned perfectly with my level of experience, transferable skill sets, and most importantly, the nature of being a servant leader. I immediately made the decision to transition to becoming a Scrum Master. I enrolled in the Scrum Master Champions Consulting Training Program, led by a staff sergeant in the Army and Agile practitioner. They explained how the skills I have learned in the military are transferable and provide competitive advantage in the role. The program offered me a hands-on training, interview preparation, as well as a one-to-one mentorship, helping me in landing a Scrum Master job opportunity within 4 months of using my invaluable experiences, leadership, resiliency, and expertise that not only set me apart, but changed the course of my life and family financially. Sign up today to learn more about the Scrum Master Champion Consulting 30, 60, 90 Days Training and Coaching Program.